So in this lecture, we are going to study about binary tree traversals. Okay. So basically, we have studied what is a binary tree. We have discussed that one of the characteristics of a binary tree is that it will have only two children, a left child and a right child. That is, it can have only two branches at most, or one of the branches can be empty, but it can have maximum two branches. That is a left branch and a right branch. Okay, so those kind of trees will be called as binary trees. So we are going to look at how to visit the nodes of such a tree. So in a traversal of a binary tree, each element of the binary tree is visited exactly once. During the visit of an element, all actions with respect to that node are taken. So if you want to display that value, you want to evaluate the operator, you want to make a clone, okay, all whatever you want to do with respect to that node, that is done. So there are various traversal methods. Basically, there are three main methods. Okay, pre-order traversal, in-order traversal, and post-order traversal. In addition, there is a fourth method also known as level order traversal. So most of the times in the exams when they ask you, they will ask you for these three methods. Okay, the first three methods: pre-order, in-order, and post-order. So we will look at all the methods today, how to do the traversal. So the traversals can be done using recursion and using no recursion also. So I'm going to teach you how to do the traversals using recursive methods. Okay. And you will have to write the algorithms for non-recursive methods. So these algorithms are given in your textbook. So you need not worry about it. It's all there in your textbook. Okay. So let's look at how to do the traversals using recursion. So first we are going to try to do pre-order traversal. So basically when you are going to do the pre-order traversal, these are the steps. So the first step will be visit the root node. Okay, first step is visit the root node. Then second step is traverse the left subtree in pre-order. So the main thing is you are traversing the left subtree. Okay, and the third step is traverse the right subtree in pre-order. So basically you need to remember that in pre-order, first you will visit, then you will traverse the left subtree, and then you will traverse the right subtree. So basically when you're traversing the left subtree and the right subtree, you are doing it recursively in pre-order. Okay. So what we mean by that, we'll see with an example. Okay. But what you need to remember while studying is, remember that visit, left, right. That means pre-order traversal using recursion. So this would have been the code for you. Suppose you are writing a code, then after you have constructed, first of all you have to construct a binary tree. After you construct a binary tree, then this would be the code for you for pre-order traversal. Okay, so you would check whether the tree is null or not null. If the root node is null, then obviously you don't have a binary tree. If you don't, if it's not null, then you're going to visit, then you're going to go to the left subtree, and then you're going to the right subtree in pre-order. Okay, so this would have been your pre-order traversal in a binary tree using recursion. So let's see how to do it using a example. So you'll be given something like this, a tree, and you will be asked to find a pre-order traversal for it. Okay, so when you're doing a pre-order traversal or any kind of traversal, you always need to start from the root node. Start always your traversal from the root node. Okay, so pre-order means, let me write down here, visit, left subtree, and then the right subtree. Okay, So we need to perform these steps in that order: visit, left subtree, right subtree. Let's start here. So you start from the root node, okay, and perform the first step, that is visit. So whenever you say visit, means you're going to print that value of that node in the output. Okay. So when I'm visiting this node, I'm going to put the value of that node, that is A, in the output. Okay. Then second step says visit the left subtree. So write down here left. Okay. Write down here left. Check whether this node has a left subtree. Okay. Yes, it has a left subtree. So since it has a left subtree, you go to the left subtree. So you come here. Okay. Come here. Now this is a new node. Okay. This is a new node. So you start again from the first step. You start again from the first step. So again, first step means you will go to visit. So you say here visit. Whenever you say visit means you will print the value of the node. So you print this value of the node in the output. Okay. Then try the second step. So you will try the second step, left subtree. It's not having a left subtree. There's no left subtree. Okay. Therefore you go to the third step. Try the third step. So try to go to the right subtree of this node. And there is no right subtree also here. Okay. So you tried all these steps. You tried all the steps for this node. Okay. So therefore go back from where you had come. Go back from where you had come. Now here you see that if any steps are remaining, okay, there are 3 steps to be performed. So out of that you have performed only 2 steps here. Okay, that is visit and left. What is the step that is remaining? Right subtree is remaining. So write down here right subtree and check whether you can go to the right. Yes, you can go to the right. So you go to the right and you reach a new node. The moment you reach a new node, again you will start from the first step. So you will say visit. Whenever you say visit, you will write the value in the output. Okay. Then perform the second step. Try to go left. There is no left, but since you perform the step, write it down. Try to go right then. That is the third step. There is no right subtree, but you perform that step, so write it down. Now you check your entire tree that is given to you. You have performed all the steps of pre-order. Okay. There's nothing else left to be performed. So this is your pre-order traversal for this given tree. Okay. So if you ask the pre-order traversal for this binary tree, the traversal is A, B, C. So you can write here pre-order traversal. Okay. Pre-order traversal for the tree is pre-order traversal for the tree is A, B, and C. Okay. I hope you got it. Any questions? Please let me know if you are having any doubts, because the same way the other 2 traversals also work in the same way. Okay. So if you have understood this, those also are easy to understand. So let me know if you are having any doubts. Is it okay, everyone? Did you all get it? Message me, yes, I understood, didn't understand. Okay, let me continue then. Okay, so this is the traversal for this tree. Okay, pre-order. Can you all try for this? Try the traversal for this. I'll give you 1 minute to try to solve. Find the pre-order traversal for this. Second example. Again, the steps you remember: visit, left subtree in pre-order, and then right subtree in pre-order. These are the steps for pre-order traversal. Okay, I'll start. So you start always with the root node. So first you will say visit. Because you say visit, you will write it in the output. Okay. Then you perform the second step. When you perform the second step, see whether you can go to the left. Yes, there is a left subtree. So go here. Since you come to a new node, again start from the first step. Okay. So you will say visit. So visit means put the node in the output. Try to go left. Can you go left? Yes, you can go left. Okay. So you reach here. New node. So again start from the first step. So visit. So you will write it in the output. Okay. Try to go left. Can you go left? Yes, you can go left. So therefore again new node means again start from the first step. So visit. Okay. Try to go left. Can't go left. Try to go right. Can't go right. So you have done all the steps for this node. Okay. So therefore you go to the previous node. So you come here to D. Here what step is remaining? The right one is remaining. So perform that. When you perform that, check whether you can go right. Can you go right? Yes, you can go right. So you reach a new node. So again, new node means you start from the first step. So you will visit. You will write here H. Try to go left. There is no left subtree. Try to go right. There is no right subtree. Okay. So you are done with this node. So go back. Go back to D. When you go to D, all the steps are done here of the pre-order. So there is nothing to be done. So go back up. Go back here. Okay. So when you go back here for B, what is remaining out of the three steps? Right subtree step is remaining. So perform that. See whether you can go right. When you try to go right, can you go right? Yes, you can go right here. Okay. When you go right, you reach a new node. So again you say visit. So you will write here E. Then you will try to go left. Can you go left? No, you cannot go left. Okay. Therefore, you will try to go right. Can you go right? Yes, you can go right. Okay. So when you go right, you will get one new node here, I. So again for that you will say visit. You will get here I. You will try to go left. Cannot go left. Okay. So therefore you will try to go right. Can you go right? No, you cannot go right. So you are done with all the three steps for I. So go back. Check whether any steps are remaining. You have done all the steps for E. So go back. Check whether any steps are remaining. All the steps have been done. So go back. Okay. Here, any steps are remaining? Yes, right subtree step is remaining. So write it down and try to go right. Go right. Okay. You reach a new node. So you will say visit. Write down it in the answer. Then you will perform the second step. Can you go left? Yes, you can go left. You reach a new node. Again, you will say visit. You try to go left. Can't go left. Then you will try to go right. Can you go right? Yes, you can go right. Okay. So here, when you go to the right, you reach a new node. So you will say visit. You will try to go left. Can't go left. So therefore, you will try to go right. Can't go right. Okay. You have done all the three steps. So you will go back. Check any steps are remaining. No, all three steps are done. Go back. Okay. Go back. Any steps are remaining? Yes. Right step is remaining. But there is no right subtree here. Okay. But you have done all the three steps. So go back. Any steps are remaining? No. Everything is done. And you have reached to the root node. So therefore, the pre-order traversal for this tree will be A. You need to write it down. Okay. So pre-order traversal, you need to write it down. Pre-order traversal is A, B, D, G, H, E, I, C, F, J. So this is the pre-order traversal for this tree. Okay, I hope you are getting it. So this is the pre-order traversal. Okay, do the pre-order traversal for this. Third example. Again, remember the steps. Do visit, left, and then right. So let's start. Okay. So you start from the root node. You will say visit. So you will put it in the answer. Then you will say left. Okay. So you will go to the left. New node. So you will say visit. Put it in the answer. Okay. Then you will try to go left. So you will go left. Again you will say visit. Put it in the answer. Try to go left. Okay. Visit. Put it in the answer. Try to go left. There is no left subtree. Try to go right. There is no right. Okay. So you have done all the steps here. So go back up. Okay. Check any steps are remaining. Yes. Right is remaining. Okay. So therefore try to go right. New place. New node. So you will say visit. Put it in the answer. Try to go left. There is no left. Try to go right. There is no right. Okay. To go back to the back up. Check any steps are remaining. No, all steps are done. So go back up. Any steps are remaining? Yes, right is remaining. Okay. So go right now. So when you go right here, you reach a new node. Visit. Try to go left. Can you go left? Yes, you can go left. Again, new node. So visit. You get, see here. Try to go left. Can't go left. Try to go right. Can't go right. All steps are done. Go back up here. Any steps are remaining here? Yes, right is remaining. So write it down. Go right. New node. So what you will do? Visit. Okay. Then try to go left. No left. Try to go right. No right. Okay. Go back up. All steps are done. No steps are remaining. Okay. So go back up. Again, for this node, no steps are remaining. All steps are done. So go back up. Any steps are remaining here? Yes, right is remaining. So write it down. Go right. You reach a new node. Visit. Then try to go left. Okay. New node. So visit. Left. No left. So try to go right. No right also. Okay. So all steps are done. Go back up. Any steps are remaining here? Yes, right is remaining. So write it down. Go right. Okay, go right. New node. So visit. Try to go left. No left. Try to go right. No right. All steps are done. Go back up here. Check any steps are remaining. No, all steps are done. Go back up. Any steps are remaining? No, all steps are done. So this is your pre-order traversal of this tree. Okay. So you will get this as the pre-order traversal for this tree. This is the answer. Basically, given an expression tree like this, if you do a pre-order traversal, you get the prefix expression. Okay. So pre-order traversal will give you the prefix expression given a expression tree. So you need to practice this, okay? You will get an idea. It's not so difficult. So what we are doing right now is using recursion, okay? Pre-order traversal using recursion. So before I proceed, is it okay? These three examples have well understood? Because the remaining two traversal methods are based on this. They are just in different order. Okay, so let's proceed. I think three examples are more than enough. Okay, you just go through the video again if you're not understanding. Next, we'll look at the in order. Okay, in order traversal. So the steps for that are: first you will traverse the left subtree in order. Okay, then second step is visit and print the root node. Third step is traverse the right subtree in order. So basically the steps for in order is left subtree, visit and right. Okay, so whenever we say visit means we are printing the value in the output, don't forget. Okay, visit means print the value in the output. So now this will be the steps for your in order traversal. Okay, let's look at an example. Okay, so these are your steps. Let me write: left subtree in order, visit the node, and then right subtree in order. Okay, so these are your steps. So let's start here. Left subtree. Okay, start with the root node always. So since it says left subtree, go to the left if there is, if it's possible. Okay, go to the left. Once you come to a new node, again start with the first step. So try to go left. There is no left. Okay, so perform the second step. Say visit. Whenever you say visit, put it in the output. Okay, then perform the third step. Try to go right. There is no right. Okay, so you are done all the steps here. Go back up here. Okay, now here check whether any steps are remaining. Yes, two steps are remaining. So you will perform the second step, visit. So you will visit means write in the output. Okay, after visiting any other step is remaining. Yes, right is remaining. So you will try to go right to the right subtree. So you reach a new node, again start from the first step. So you will try to go left. There is no left subtree here. So you will visit. Visit means write in the output. Then you will try to go to the right subtree. There is again no right subtree here. So you have done all the steps for this node. Go back up here. Any steps are remaining? No. So the in order traversal for this tree will be BAC. Okay, so this is the output. You please need to write here. Okay, just don't write in the exams like this. You need to write here that the in order traversal, you need to write it down. In order traversal is this. Okay, so you need to write it down. Okay, try for this. You can try for this. Find the in order traversal. So again, the steps will be left subtree, visit, and right subtree. So let's do it together. Okay. So you start from the root node. Okay. Start with the first step, left subtree. If you can go left, go left. Yes, we can go left here. New node. So start again with first step, left subtree. Go left. New node. Start with first step, left subtree. Okay. Go. Again new node. Start with the first step, left subtree. Cannot go more left. Okay. So go to second step, visit. When you say visit, write it in the output. Try to go right. Cannot go right. So go, all steps are done here. Go back up here. Okay. So check what steps are remaining. So second step needs to be performed, visit. So you will put it in the output. Then try to go right. Okay. Try to go right. Can you go right? Yes. So again new node. So what you will do? Start from the first. So you will try to go left. Cannot go left. Visit. So you will say write it in the output. Then you will try to go right. Cannot go right. Okay. All the steps are done here. So go back up here. Check whether any steps are remaining. No, all the steps are done. Okay. So go back up here. You will say visit. So you will write B. After visit, you will try to go right. Can you go right? Yes, you can go right. The new node. So you will try to go left. Cannot go left. So you will say visit. Put it in the output. Then you will try to go right. Can you go right? Yes, you can go right. New node. So you will try to go left. Cannot go left. So you will say visit. Write it in the output. Try to go right. Cannot go right. All the steps are done. So go back up here. Check whether any steps are remaining. No, all the steps are done. Go back up. Any steps remaining? No, all the steps are done. Go back up. Okay. Any steps are remaining? Yes, visit is remaining. So visit. Write it in the output. Okay. Then try to go right. The new node. So again start from the first step. So you try to go left. Can you go left? Yes, can go left. Okay. The new node. Can you go left? No, F is not having left, so cannot go left. Okay. So you will visit. You will get here F. Can you go right? Yes, you can go right. So go right. Okay. So here new node. So try to go left. Cannot go left. So you will say visit. Put it in the output. Okay. Then you will try to go right. Cannot go right. All the steps are done. So go back up here. Any steps remaining here? No. Okay. All the steps are done. Go back up here. Any steps are remaining here? Yes. Visit is remaining. Okay. So you will say, put it in the output. Any other step? Yes. Try to go right. But there is no right here. Okay. But write it down. Okay. Go back up after performing. Here any steps are remaining? No steps are remaining. So this will be your in order traversal. G, D, H, B, E, I, A, F, J, C. So this will be the in order traversal for this tree. Okay. I hope you are getting the idea of how to do the traversals. So this will be the in order traversal. So there's one shortcut method for only in order traversals. Okay. Now in the exams, you can do this, but just look at the marks. Okay. So the shortcut method only for in order traversals is by doing projections. Okay. So when you just project in like this, okay, like how it is shown here, then you will get the same answer that you have done in the previous slide. Okay. But you need to do the projections in proper order. So this node, when you go from the left hand side, is the first node. Okay. As we are going from the left to the right, we are going in this direction. Okay, left to the right. This is the first node. Project it down. This is the second node. This is the third node. Okay. I'm not talking they are on the same level. They could be on different levels. But as I'm going in this direction, G is the first node that I find. D is the second node that I find. H is the third node. B is the fourth node, and so on. So like that, if you project them down, then you will get the answer for in order traversal of a binary tree. Okay. This only works for in order traversal. Okay. Does not work for other traversals. So you can confirm your answer actually at the end of the day by doing this. So if you check this previous slide also, this answer and that answer is the same. Okay. So this is a shortcut method only for in order traversal. But I don't recommend you to do this. Okay. This is only to confirm the answer. So same way you can now get the answer for this. Okay. Now if you know the projection, obviously you know the answer for it is that the answer will be this. Okay. And if you check this will be the in order expression. Okay. So infix expression or the in order expression. Okay. So if you are given an expression tree and if you are told to get an infix expression, then you need to do a in order traversal of that. If you do a pre-order traversal, then you get prefix expression, and if you do in order traversal, you get infix expression. Let's look at the third one, post order. To get the post order traversal, you will first of all traverse the left subtree in post order. Then second step, traverse the right subtree in post order. And third step is visit and print the root. Okay. So this is the code for it, the recursive code, left subtree, right subtree, and visit. The codes are there in your textbook, so you can refer to that. So can you all try to do the post order traversal for this? So the steps are left subtree in post order, right subtree in post order, and visit. These are the steps for post order traversal. Right? Start always from the root node. So you will start from the root node. Okay. So you will try write the first step, left subtree. Okay. Is it having a left subtree? Yes. Then go left. Okay. New node. So start with the first step. Try to go to the left subtree. No left subtree. Then try to go to the right subtree. No right subtree also. Therefore, you will try the third step, visit. Visit means put it in the output. Okay. Since all the steps are done, go back up. Okay. Check what steps are remaining. So you will perform the second step, right subtree. Does it have right subtree? Yes. So go to the right. Okay. New node. So start from the first step. Try to go to the left subtree. No left subtree. Try to go to the right subtree. No right subtree. So therefore visit. So when you say visit, put it in the output. All the steps are done for this node. So go back up here. Any steps remaining? Yes, visit is remaining. So write visit and that value will be put in the output. Any other steps are remaining? No. That means this is your post order traversal. This is your post order traversal for this binary tree. You can try for this. Find a post order traversal for this. So start from the root node. Okay, remember the steps, left subtree in post order, right subtree in post order, and visit. Okay, so left subtree, go to the left subtree. Okay, new node, therefore again left subtree, new node, therefore again left subtree, new node, therefore again left subtree. Okay, so can you go more left? No, you have reached the end of it. So therefore perform the second step, try to go to the right. There is no right also here, no right subtree, therefore perform the third step, visit. When you say visit, put it in the output. All the steps are done. Okay, so go back up. What steps are remaining here? Right subtree. Okay, so write down right subtree and go to the right. New node, so start from the first step again. Try to go left, cannot go left. So therefore, second step, try to go right, cannot go right. So therefore, visit. So when you say visit, put it in the output. Okay, all the steps are done. Go back up. Okay, any steps are remaining here? Yes, visit is remaining. Write down visit, put D in the output. Okay, this is D. Any steps are remaining? No, so go back up. Any step remaining here? Right subtree is remaining. So go to the right. Go to the right. Okay, new node. So what you will do? Again start from left. Can you go left? No, you cannot go left. Okay, so therefore you will try the second step, right. Can you go right? Yes, you can go right. New node, so again start from the first step. Try to go left, cannot go left. Try to go right, cannot go right. Therefore, visit, put it in the output. Okay, all the steps are done. Go back up here. Any step remaining? Yes, visit is remaining. So write down. Go back up here. Okay, any step remaining? Yes, visit is remaining. So write it down. Any more steps remaining? No, done. So go back up here. Any step remaining? Yes, right subtree is remaining. Can you go right? Yes, go right. Okay, new node. So start from the first step. Try to go to the left. Can you go left? Yes. New node. So left subtree. Can you go left? No. So right. Try the right. Can you go right? Yes, I can go to the right. New node. So try to go to the left subtree. Not possible to go. Try to go to the right subtree. No right subtree. So therefore visit. So you will write it in the output. Okay, all the steps are done here. Go back up here. Any step remaining? Yes, visit. Any more steps remaining? No, so go back up. So here only one step is done. So try the second step. Try to go to the right subtree. Is there right subtree? No. So perform the third step. Visit. No more steps are remaining. So go back up. Okay. Any more steps remaining here? Yes. Visit. So this will be the. So all the steps have been done for all the nodes. So this will be the post order traversal for the given binary tree. GHD IEB JFCA. Okay, so this is the post order traversal. You can similarly try this. Okay, this is the same expression tree that we have seen. Okay, this will be the answer that you will be getting. You can try. You can try later. Okay. So given an expression tree, and if you do the post order traversal, you will get the postfix form of the expression. Okay, so given one tree only, you can derive all the expressions depending on the traversals that you do on them. Okay, so if you do the in order traversal, you get the infix. pre-order traversal, then you get the prefix expression, and post-order, then you get the postfix expression. So these were the recursive traversal methods for a binary tree. Okay. Similarly, you have non-recursive binary tree traversals. Okay. So the steps are given on your textbook. This is just snapshots I'm showing you. So this is the pre-order traversal steps, non-recursive. You can copy this. Okay. You can try it out. In-order traversal is given, and also the post-order traversal steps are given. Okay. So you need to study the steps, and the examples are also given there. I think you should be able to do that. Okay. It's using stacks. So I think you should be able to do that. So let me show you this. The next one, level order. Okay, which is the fourth type of traversal method, level order. So level order means it's very simple actually. Okay, so you start from the topmost node. Okay, visit it, put it in the output. Okay, go to the next level, start from the left hand side. Okay, visit this one, put it in the output. Go to the next node on the same level, visit it, put it in the output. Then go to the next level. Okay, go to the left hand side, visit this, put it in the output. So you'll get D here. Okay, you visit the next node on the same level, next node on the same level. So once you are finished with the level, go to the next level. So this is the last level. Visit leftmost, start from the leftmost side first. Visit, then go to the next one, then next one, and the last one. So this will be your level order. So you start from the top. Once that level is finished, start from the left again on the next level. Visit all the nodes from the left to the right. Okay, on that level, and as you are visiting, write them in the output. That will be the example of your level order traversal. Okay. This was your level, all the traversal methods for your binary tree.